Welcome to episode 188. Michael Platt, low volatility trader and king of Wall Street in 2016. This is an outline of episode 188. There are 3 reasons why we study Michael Platt. First, in 2016, he is king of Wall Street, earning $1.5 billion, an honor he shared with Jim Simons of Renaissance Technology. Second, at age 48, he is no doubt the young and upcoming hedge fund manager. Third, he is king of low volatility. Let us meet Michael Platt.
We need much more radical measures to prevent this happening. If Italy and Spain are forced to roll their debt over, which this year is going to be of the order of 600 billion euros, if they have a full political and fiscal union where the transfers can take place, it seems that what we're going to have is an attempt to control the European situation through continued austerity, which is a process which is pro-cyclical. Because as the economy slows down, we end up with more austerity, which creates more slowdown.
Michael Platt was born in Preston, England in December 1968. His dad was a professor at the University of Manchester. At age 14, his grandmother gave him a gift of £500 worth of stocks, which began his lifelong interest in the financial market. Following his dad, he studied civil engineering in Imperial College, but he soon got bored. He switched to study economics and mathematics at the London School of Economics. After graduation, he spent 9 years at J.P. Morgan, first as a trainee in New York, then he rose to the director of trading.
Members of your J.P. Morgan training program said to us, "We knew this man was destined for greatness. He started by arbing the New York City subway hike." 2 decades later, you're sitting on top of a $30 billion fund.
In 2000, he co-founded BlueCrest Capital with American William Reeves with an initial capital of $117 million. Michael Platt met William Reeves at J.P. Morgan. Reeves also was a senior trading director. In 2001, his second year, he hired Leda Braga, a PhD from Imperial College who was 34 weeks pregnant. Braga would become the most successful woman hedge fund manager in history.
Number 6. Leda Braga. Mrs. Braga is the CEO and head of systematic trading BlueCrest. Originally from Brazil, Braga has proven that there are no limits when it comes to women and their influence in the tough world of Wall Street. As of February 2016, Leda Braga is managing over $10 billion, making her one of the most influential female hedge fund managers in the world.
What Leda Braga introduced was automated trading algorithm.
The BlueCrest algorithm automatically trades Forex markets, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Its key feature is trading both sides of the market at the same time. That means always trading long and always trading short. This enables the algorithm to generate profits regardless of the direction the market moves. So the more the market moves up and down, the greater the profit potential. Volatility, which is normally a challenge and source of anxiety when investing, is actually beneficial for trading with this algorithm because volatility increases our profit. 2011 was a particularly volatile year, and while financial markets gyrated up and down, the BlueCrest Capital trading algorithm realized a 41% return, and that's after all fees and costs.
Here we have Robert Schwager, author of the book The Market Wizard, published in 1989. It was the first book to introduce the world to the secret world of the world's most successful traders.
But you still have traders today who have extremely good return to risk, which I think is the key element. So you take somebody like BlueCrest, Michael Platt. They're running now close to $30 billion. The flagship fund, he's run this fund with mid-teen returns for, close to a dozen years. And he's never lost, they've never had a drawdown which even reached 5%. To me, that's incredible. That's really phenomenal skill. So yeah, you still have great traders today. And of course, some of the traders I interviewed were around were still trading at the same time I did my original market races. I just didn't.
In 2010, Reeves sold out and retired to Hawaii with a net worth of about $350 million. Well, apparently Reeves sold out prematurely because what happened between 2010 and 2017 is phenomenal. By 2013, money poured in at such a rate that the fund under management once reached $37 billion. In the meantime, his company BlueCrest branched into equity trading and had very little success. For example, he opened his trading office in Hong Kong in 2014, only to close it in 2017. In December 2015, he closed his fund to outsiders by returning $7 billion to clients. Now, BlueCrest is 100% private, meaning it is owned by employees only.
This will show up at some point, or are you effectively betting on a breakup of the Eurozone?
I want to make something very clear. The market prices the probability of a euro breakup to be distinctly non-zero, despite what the politicians say. I believe that the eventuality of a European breakup is so awful that more and more drastic measures will be taken as time goes by. The ECB is probably the only institution that can tackle this problem. It doesn't have a mandate to do so.
In 2016, Michael Platt is king of Wall Street. With a 50% return net of fees, he shared the highest honor with Jim Simons. He is only 48 years old. What have I learned today? First, Michael Platt's system of trading involves fast turnover in highly liquid markets. Second, while the rest of the trading world frets over high volatility, he thrives on it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave your questions and comments below. My next video will be Michael Platt, 10 Trading Lessons. Wishing everyone peace and prosperity.